Alright, welcome back. So this charges the batteries. The batteries are in here. Come on, batteries, get out. There's 2 batteries that come with this thing. There's a thing to remove props that's stuck in there and won't come out. There's the same piece of equipment here with QR codes and whatnots, beware warnings, and so on and so forth. And the actual instructions should be coming out soon if I can get them out. Come on, instructions. You know you want to come out. Just don't rip or anything. Oh, really tight squeeze. Very interesting looking instructions. Yeah, they look pretty good. Anyway. In the next one, I will compare some other stuff, but
Likey.